Hello, my beautiful and handsome soul tribe. Welcome to TT's Tarot. This is going to be a message for my beautiful and handsome Pisces collective. Hopefully, everybody is doing well and blessed on their endeavor. I do apologize that I don't post as much as I used to because I am in school and I work a regular job. And I still have one teenage child in the house. So we're going to ask Archangel Michael to bless this reading right now. If you like the way I read, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. I would appreciate that. Pisces, my lovely Pisces. Pisces. Sorry. There we go. Hopefully that wasn't awkward. My armpit wasn't in your face. Let me get my shit together. So Pisces, we are actually gonna pull from this one. I haven't used this one in a while. This is gonna be graffiti. We're about to clock it. I'm sorry, I'll be right back. My Pisces. You could have this inner peace that's just like people can't affect it. People can't touch it. That's your inner peace, and that's what it is. I'm getting. That's what's up, Pisces. That is what's up. Positive reputation. I love that for you, Pisces. Any message for my Pisces collective highest good? If this does not resonate, go ahead and check your other placements. Those might resonate better. This is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising. This is a big deck, so romantic sabotage. I'm sorry, I should have maybe did this before, but I am shuffling the cards here now. So if you'd like to, you can just fast forward just maybe 30 seconds or not, or just go to the next video. Don't matter. But I appreciate if you do stay. I appreciate you. This is TT's Tarot. Thank you for stopping by. If you think you're lonely now. This card was facing up. Wow, that card, this was the only card facing up. Catching feelings. Romance is blossoming in unexpected places. Feelings sneaking up on you accidentally. Feel the need to keep that card out as a general energy because that was the only card that was facing up. I see. Again. Pisces. Let me get some general energy for Pisces. Please, Spirit. Pisces. Pisces. Someone could have, yeah. Something may have not panned out the way you had anticipated it, Pisces or cross watcher. Somebody didn't put in what they were supposed to compared to the other. Pisces. I feel like Pisces or cross watcher, that somebody is Somebody is really like stuck in their head thinking regarding some type of situation that they could have chose maybe like some type of popularity, or it was the most popular choice. They may have thought that they had many options. We got candy shop right here in the middle. They may have thought that they had many options, like they were Mr. Candyman or something, Mr. Ice Cream Man or something. Hmm. But the underlining energy that popped out to us first was catching feelings. Somebody could have thought their feelings for somebody weren't as strong as they were. Karma is working, it says, though. Lies unraveled. Some type of lies are being exposed, Pisces. Someone is not healed. Hmm. Pisces. Let me clarify this for Pisces highest square. Oh, are you dealing with a narcissist? Is a narcissist pretending like they're catching feelings? I know they're not. Nightlife. Candy shop. Right here it says sacrificing happiness for public approval. Double-edged sword. Walking on a tightrope. Right next to candy shop. Right next to nightlife. Right next to lies unraveled. Let me clarify this for Pisces, please, Spirit. Yeah, you could have felt like this person was very much like up and down, like masculine energy. Somebody's having an epiphany about some masculine energy. Could be this narcissist, this egotistical. Somebody's very egotistical. Pisces. Yep. They gossip. They gossip and they have no self-discipline. They're not healed. Whoever this person is, Pisces, they're not healed. I don't care what they say. They're not healed. Pisces. If you are still watching, you might as well hit the like and subscribe button. Go ahead and leave a comment where you are tuning in from. I'm in Los Angeles. I hope everybody is staying blessed and safe during these times. There's just a lot going on a global scale, you know. Oh, and look at what song just came on. A change is gonna come. Wow, and this card doesn't even belong. I don't know where this card came from. Social. Something has something to do with maybe a group of people, or people in a society, people in a community. Or I'm also getting like societal norms. Could be this nightlife or whatever. I see. I see. I see. Wow, you could look at these two came out together. So this is definitely regarding a partnership. You have two main energies here. You remember gender roles are not specific. This is a couple right here. A main female and a main male. Two main energies that are that coincide somehow. But the other two cards you got that came out with it is message and thoughts. Somebody, and then look at the bottom of the deck. False person, bad health, journey. So I'm getting someone could be really suffering from mental health issues because they have kind of like caused their own downfall, if that makes sense. But what I don't know is who this false person is. I have a couple right here. I have a couple right here. I have a full-blown narcissist on the board. I'm just not sure who is the narcissist. And then, because at the bottom of the deck, we've got false person. This could be you. You could be very perplexed. Like, this is weird, kind of. This might be specific to, like, a couple of people. I don't have very many viewers anyways, but so go ahead and, share the video, like and subscribe. There's a couple here. We're gonna post tarot. Some tarot, my loves. Bottom of this deck, Opening the deck, we've got the Hierophant. So something does have something to do with some type of societal norms. Three of Cups, Empress, King of Wands. Nine of Hierophant. Something is divinely guided. Something is divinely happening in divine timing. Pisces. You can have Pisces anywhere in your chart. The person you're watching for could be have Pisces somewhere in their chart. My daughter's a Pisces. I'm sure I've said that a million times. Hi, Sharon. My Pisces. I don't think she watches my videos though. Let me clarify this. The Emperor in reverse could be this main male. Also, what I'm getting is this couple could be like a, a couple, but like a undercover couple. They could collaborate in some way, but like not out in the open. Yeah. Somebody was very determined for some type of new beginning that failed. Yeah. They manifested being trapped. You've got the Strength, the Fool, and the Chariot in reverse. They were very determined for this new beginning that was actually a fail. They could have like no sense of direction now as a result of like some type of direct this like behavior decision. Some type of house dynamic could have something to do with that. Could be significant regarding a situation. Okay, so is that I feel like this main male right here is getting some type of message. What's this main female? Who's this main female? Wow, the Empress in the upright. So we've got the Emperor in reverse and the Empress in the upright. Pisces, that's crazy. King of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. Seven of Pentacles. King of Swords. I feel like main female, main male, Empress, and the Emperor in reverse. These are significant. Like there's definitely some type of power couple here, but they're not in the same vibration. They're not aligned. I feel like this Empress is dedicated and invested into this Emperor, but this Emperor's in the reverse. So this feels like a cheater and a manipulator, like somebody that like uses some type of authority um to their advantage. Lacks discipline, undisciplined, lacks discipline, poor leadership, abuse of power. It doesn't work if one person in this power couple is low vibrational and one is not. Eight of Wands at the bottom of the deck with the Two of Cups. Cancer energy. Eight of Wands, fire. What's this main female, the Empress spirit for Pisces? Wow, 27 already. What's the Empress? The Magician in the reverse. Somebody that was manipulated. Probably by this Emperor in the reverse. Eight of Cups. Who's the narcissist? Who's the narcissist? The Devil. Two of Swords in the reverse. Wow, somebody that is extremely toxic. Somebody that, like I said, mental health. They lack self-discipline. They lie. Very ignorant person. This narcissist that just okay, that did not confirm who this narcissist is. It just confirmed that this narcissist is a narcissist. But let's see. Who's the narcissist? Spirit, please. Four of Pentacles, Hangman in reverse. I just keep getting somebody that is indecisive and has control issues. Somebody has control issues really bad. So much so to the point where like they are literally making their own bed to freaking their own grave to lie in or whatever. Their own lies, their own bullshit, whatever. Who's catching feelings? So I'm not sure where you go in this Pisces, but there's a couple here. So the person catching feelings is somebody that's lonely. That's a social misfit, an introvert, extreme withdrawal. Somebody that feels defeated. It's exhausted. So what I'm getting here is like the energy, like, they say the ones that were last are going to come first, and the ones that were first are going to, yeah. High Priestess in reverse, Seven of Wands in reverse, Hermit reverse, Devil. There's a narcissist here that is so stuck in ego that they can't even see their feet, metaphorically speaking. When they look down, when they look to the future, they have no future foresight. Wheel of Fortune, King of Swords. And they probably could have thought that they were so slick. What else? Yep. Some type of words that can't be taken back. The world, yeah. Some type of words and some imbalance, separation, abuse. So if Pisces, if somebody recently disconnected with somebody, they participated in some type of like gossip. They thought they were going to go to calmer waters. They are not. I'm getting also like this female energy is really willing to put in the investment, into this partnership. And I feel like the male energy, the masculine energy is the more reluctant one. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure who the narcissist is, but there's definitely a narcissist here. I'm getting this could be a good partnership. This is a power couple type of thing. Temperance. See, there's some type of balance within this dynamic. You know what I mean? Judgment in the reverse. Some type of beginning may have been delayed due to somebody's like stubbornness, I guess. Hierophant again. Something about societal norms. The world keeps on trying to pop out. I'm just gonna pull a little bit more tarot, just to clarify the tarot that we got out here. We got this Everyday Witch Tarot here. Somebody could be feeling brokenhearted. I mean, the Three of Swords did pop out a little bit on the shuffling, but I don't have it out here. I'm just getting somebody put their foot in their mouth. Somebody put their foot in their mouth, and that is their that's the balance in the situation. Somebody put their foot in their mouth that they can't take back. And now like something like blocked their like senses, like they don't have no common sense. We've got the high priestess in reverse here, like they have no common sense. Yeah, somebody's trying to avoid some type of judgment regarding some like regarding something like that they did in like a moment of passion or something. They weren't thinking. They were probably like acting out of ego. A moment of weakness. So if somebody could have been very cold and calculated. Got lots of messages. Lots of interaction here, and the Hierophant again. Yeah, there's some type of like societal, like almost feel like it's like a popularity contest or some stupid shit. Where like there's have this power couple right here, this main male, this main female, right? Yeah, we have this main couple right here, and it seems they kind of just jumped into something really abruptly, and they're not a match. I feel like she wants to invest, and the masculine energy does not want to invest quite yet. He may have some doubts, or he may be a cheater. He may like that nightlife. But somebody's about to get a message that something is just not gonna work anymore. Something's not working anymore. Somebody has to walk away from something. Yeah, if somebody thought that they were gonna I don't know, I still just see a couple here. I'm not sure where you belong in this, but I definitely see a couple, main female, main male, masculine and feminine energies. And I do see somebody that's not completely honest. And it's causing an imbalance in some type of I feel like more than this couple right here, more than their life, like it something affects other people is what I'm seeing. And it may be like some type of victory, but it ends up being like some type of loss where like it causes some type of tower. And no matter what they do, like no matter how determined they are to achieve this something, it's gonna lead to a tower. But they keep being faced with some type of decision that they always make the same decision and they get the same result. Well, I hope this message resonated, Pisces. I'm not sure where you go here, but somebody is trying to avoid some type of um, justice or something. Hmm. Let's see, Pisces. 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 We are just going to get you probably one more. We'll get you a love and money oracle. I'm sorry, hold on. All right, Pisces, sorry about that. Somebody's been gossiping though. Somebody's been like participating in like neighborhood chatter that they have no business or right participating in. But nonetheless, we are gonna get you one, two, maybe three more. Love and money. To see what they have to say. I don't know. Maybe this narcissist realizes they do have feelings for you, Pisces, or cross watcher. Especially if you're still watching, you might as well go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. It's for Pisces. Spirit, give me a good one for Pisces. For love and money. For Pisces. 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 Bottom of the deck, we've got Casanova. Pisces. Pisces. You're about to get some surprise. It says you're about to be like a promotion channel. You're about to be recognized, honored for some type of accolade. Recognized, admired, thanked, something like that. After a long, tumultuous journey. Well, congratulations, Pisces. I love you guys. Bye.